Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your OnePlus Nord CE2. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now write Microsoft Edge and press on the search button. From here, click install on this browser. After download and install is complete, we can open it, and from here we can begin to customize it. Like we can sign in to sync with our other devices like our computer or other smartphones. I'm not gonna do that. You should read that and accept to help improve Microsoft products, confirm, and from here you can change the Microsoft Edge to your default browser if you want. Yes, let's do it. And from here, just pick the Microsoft Edge and select Always. And right now, the browser is ready to be used. You can open any website like Wikipedia, for example. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.